Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's going on with the global economy and Bitcoin? We've got some big news coming out of Washington that could change the game for cryptocurrency. The U.S. national debt has just crossed $37 trillion, a staggering number that's making headlines around the world. And for those who are closely following the financial markets, this raises an interesting question. Will Bitcoin become the new global reserve currency? Well, at least one person thinks so. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, recently stated on X that if the U.S. fails to get its finances under control, Bitcoin could take over as the world's primary store of value. He highlighted the importance of managing the national debt and reducing it as a key factor in determining our financial future. But what exactly is a reserve currency? In simple terms, it's a currency that countries use to settle their debts with each other. The US dollar has been the global reserve currency for decades, but Armstrong believes that Bitcoin could potentially take its place. So why? One reason is that Bitcoin is scarce. There's only 21 million of them in existence. That scarcity creates value and makes it a more stable store of wealth compared to traditional fiat currencies like the dollar. Additionally, Bitcoin is neutral. It's not controlled by any government or institution, which could make it more appealing to investors looking for an alternative to traditional assets. Now, some might say that this idea is nothing more than a pipe dream, but others believe that we're already seeing signs of resistance towards the US dollar and other fiat currencies. The rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin has been gaining momentum over the past decade, and it's possible that we could see a shift in the global financial landscape as investors look for more secure and decentralized alternatives. But will this mean that Bitcoin becomes the new reserve currency? That's a tough call to make, but one thing is clear. If the U.S. fails to address its debt issues, we could be looking at a whole new world of financial possibilities. And for those who are already invested in cryptocurrency, this news could be music to their ears. So what's next? The situation with the U.S. national debt is fluid and constantly changing, but one thing is certain. Bitcoin has become a major player in the global economy, and its influence will only continue to grow if it can maintain its momentum.